What's up, everyone? It's your boy Phil MC, back here with another video, and we're here with our Mustang today. And what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be redoing the entire front end of the Mustang. This is a 15-year-old car. It's a 2006 Mustang, and the fog lights and the headlights are super hazy. They may look okay on camera, but in person and visibility wise, they're very hazy. I bought the turtle wax headlight restoration kit, and it's still super foggy. And I'm also going to be redoing the parking lights as well. Now, I don't know if you guys can probably see it in the camera, but yeah, it's just super pitted, and everything on the outside is super soft, and all of that pitted hazy look is from the inside of the headlight. And same thing with the fog lights. That's a good angle right there, you can see it. And the parking lights, we're just going to switch it out. So we're going to go from this entire front end, swapping out both headlights, both fog lights, both parking lights, remove the whole front bumper, possibly repaint the front grille. And yeah, if you guys want me to do a review on my car, I can. I just blacked out, plastic dipped the emblems today, so give it that flat blacked out look. The emblem as well. If you guys want me to do a review on the car, what I've done so far, I can. But yeah, this is not that today. Got a little strut tower brace and an air intake, but gonna be redoing the front bumper. These are the parts that I've collected on Facebook over the last month. Headlights I got for 30 bucks. The fog lights I got for 25 bucks. Fog lights I got, or the parking lights I got for 25 bucks, all on Facebook. The headlights were kind of used and the other ones are new, but just got to be patient and do your research well. What's going to take me probably half hour to an hour in a time lapse will only take you guys a few minutes, so enjoy. right, guys, and there we have it. Just turned the car off so the fog lights are off, but man, what a major difference. Turn everything off so we can get a good look at the grill. Woo! Yeah, boy. Whole new setup right here, buddies. Whole new setup. So, what's up, guys? I was trying to upload the video and I was editing and I realized I didn't make an outro, and I thought this might give me a good chance to show you the completed car for everything. So yeah, because I painted the entire grill. So this entire grill right here, I repainted it, and then new headlights, new side markers, and new LED fog lights, and I also added on a like a CDC replica front spoiler, front chin spoiler. I blacked out the emblems on the side. Let's check out the back here. I also added on a GT500 style, like a flat black spoiler. I got a tow hitch installed as well, because to take my bikes around. I put on a matte black plastic dip the emblem, and also had a flat black deck lid on there. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Side profile with the LED lights on it. Bam! Hope you guys enjoyed the video.